And they have amusement, singing, dancing, and playing with instruments, and board game, hunting, fishing. They have that amusement, that is spending time, entertainment themselves. And food they eat, people ate fruits, vegetables, dates, grapes, apples, peaches, figs, pomegranates, onions, garlic, turnips, and cucumber. And the main food, wheat and millet, barley, the main crops. And that gods, many goddess they have all have separate temples and priests. And in that chief god is Amundri or Ra, and that is a sun god. Thoth is a moon god. Horus is the sky god. Anubis is the god of mummification. And the mummification I told you already, the preserved body, dead body, we call that mummification. They keep the herbs and spice inside the body and wrap with a fine linen cloth and keep inside the wooden box with all used things for their afterlife. Okay, this is occupation I told you. Main occupation for agriculture, farming. The other occupations are glass making, carpentry, metal working, spinning, weaving, pottery making. Okay, these are the occupation. And they have trade with many other countries. And that is main item exported is linen cloth, jewelry, glassware, gold, ivory, oil, wood. Okay, and then they have the barter system to exchange their goods. Okay, major achievements I told you. Largest pyramid of Giza, built by Pharaoh Kheops. And Phoenix, a one block stone made up of one stone, and a head of a man and body of a lion. This is the thing we revised. Okay, and this is the pyramid picture. Okay, great pyramid with the ancient wonders of the world. And mathematics they used to build this kind of items. They know addition, subtraction, multiplication, and use the all kind of figures to make this kind of stonework, that is architecture items. And they know medicine very well. They preserve the body. They know very well anatomy, that is the body, physical body, that is they know well about the human body, that we call anatomy. And they preserve the mummies with a beautiful medicine, preserve herbs and spices they covered. And they have the astronomy. They come to know the stars movement. They predict the flood, rain, everything. And they have the zodiac sign. They have the solar calendar. And they only divided the year into 365 days and 12 months and the 30 days. And the script was hieroglyphics. And it's written, those days it's only written on the clay tablets. Slowly they change into papyrus reeds. That is, papyrus is the long grass, like a leaf. Okay, on that they write. Later we come to know the paper come from the word papyrus. Okay, and that is a pictograph. Pictures only is there. They write right to left. Okay, this all we come to know. This is about the question answer. The short answer, describe the social classes of Egyptian. Okay, who is the head, who is the last, that later I told you, social leader. Next, how did the Egyptian preserve the dead body? Okay, what they put, how they keep, and what they keep inside the wooden box, that you have to write. List the gods of Egyptian. Some gods I told you, you have to name them. Name some, name the god and name the that sun or moon or anything you have to mention. Name some occupation of the people. And state, that state means name them also. Name some food items and things they exported. Okay, and write about the condition of woman, how the woman, poor woman suffered or a rich woman enjoyed, that you have to write. And name the two queens name who helped their husband, Hatshepsut and Queen Nefertiti. Okay, that you have to write. And detailed answer little elaborately you have to write. Discuss the architecture achievements of the Egyptian, the great pyramid, the phoenix, the temple, that all you have to write. Mathematics you have to join in that and write a note of astronomy, how they find the flood, and that you have to write. And medicine and script, that as a one answer you have to write. Okay, this is the new words for you. Okay, Egyptian, EGYPTIAA, Egyptian. Pharaoh, PHARAOH, Pharaoh. Hatshepsut, HATSHEPSUT, she is a queen. Nefertiti, NEFERTITI, frescoes, painting on the wall or ceiling. Frescoes, Amun-Re, the chief god, mummifying, preserving the body, dead body. Great pyramid, phoenix, hieroglyphics. That is the script of the Egyptian people. Okay children, I hope you understand this lesson. Is it interested for you? And write your assignment and send it to this on Monday 3 to 6 p.m. That is with your name, with your class. Okay, to my personal number you can send it to me. Okay, I am keeping a record for you, who is sending, who is not sending. I am writing and keeping the numbers, but you send with your number with names and class. Okay, some of you I couldn't write names because you don't send names. You write just assignment and with the number, that is phone number. So I couldn't make it, who is this assignment. So you write with your assignment, with your class also. Very very important. 6th B1 you have to write and write your name. Thank you children. Bye.